Learn English with your ears and emotions. F Glow Music.
Lendesu varna pumi, eyes wide, mouth saying wow. Taxi sign glowing, new alphabet, I'm guessing that it's somehow. Sticker cups I Red Bull, sweet fire on my tongue. Every sound a secret message, every word a song unsung. And I hear next stop Chillamari, repeat it under breath. Little phrases in my pocket, level up with every step. Bangkok, New Year, fluency, every street's a dictionary. I learned the world by walking through every how much, every thank you. Fireworks over the shopping mall, new words echo off the walls. I was shy, now I'm finally free. Learning you're learning me. Sky train packed, I'm hanging on, reading faces, reading ads. Roadies stand on the corner, gold drizzle in paper bags. Yes. Scary smoke in the night air, I point, she smiles, I want this. I copy how her mouth moves, turn the flavor into a phrase. Small lights like a sunrise, countdown on the giant screen. Someone shouts the number slowly, I repeat them in between. Bangkok, New Year, fluency, every street's a dictionary. I learned the world by walking through every how much, every thank you. Fireworks over the shopping mall, new words echo off the walls. I was shy, now I'm finally free. Learning you're learning me. Street food, table, tasty chairs. I trade my stories for a cheer. You fix my grammar, I taste your jokes. We bend our accents, pull them near. Every bite a little braver, every laugh another clue.